So part 12 is just going to be a really quick, short little video where I promised you, where I'd show you how I like to share the things that are growing downstairs. Believe it or not, this produces quite a bit of food. I've already harvested from it. I've already harvested for my sister and taken her some. One of the ladies across the street just yesterday, she came over because I was growing romaine lettuce for her. She got sick and tired of the romaine lettuce always being on recall from our local grocery store because of E. coli or whatever. Well, I have a couple of videos I'm just going to piece together where my girlfriend Kim that lives next door, she comes. Oh, I'm hoping that she'll come a little bit more times this year. She's always acts bashful about asking, so I always have to offer to her. So as I grow more, oh, she definitely, once I get the cilantro growing, she and I both, we eat that cilantro up. But she came and got some dill, some kale for her smoothies, and some lettuce for her salads. Let me show you. My neighbor Kim trimming the dill, and I guess she's going to make something really awesome that I get to taste. Now, how lucky am I? So my neighbor getting some kale for her smoothies. This is why I absolutely love growing in this tent, even if it's for one, is because she helps me keep them trimmed up and growing decently.
Okay, I think that's getting the kale. Let me keep going.
As much as you want, as much as you'll eat.
Sounds good.
You're a family of 5, I'm a family of 1.
Some sandwiches.
You're the bestest coming in, taking some of this so it doesn't go to waste.
Yeah, we'll use it.
Due to a little bit of difficulties, I was not able to share this little video or complete this little video. I'm not even going to get into it. Anyway, so I have so much more to show you that I do with this grow tent. So on the next grow tent video, I am going to cut down some of this stuff and take it upstairs, and I'm going to dry it so that I can start making room for other things. I'm trying to cram in a bunch of things that I do all at the same time in like a 2 or 3 month period where I normally don't have to do all of this, but I'm just trying to show you as quickly as possible all your possibilities of having a grow tent. If you gain anything from any of these videos, please like, share, tell other people. All you could do is learn. One of these days, I'm going to reach the person that needs to hear it. Until the next one.